Someone writes, I love your commercial in which you say you'll take health care away from cabinet and Congress, your cabinet and Congress, if they don't pass universal health care. Could you explain how the president might actually have the power to do that?
Sure, be glad to. You know, it's fascinating to me, by the way, to watch how when you say something like this that the politicians in Washington don't want to hear, they circle the wagons. You know, it's like, wait a minute, you can't. What are you talking about? You're going to take our health care away? But here's the answer. First of all, the President of the United States has the power, has veto power over the budget. And the budget has that health care in it. So that's number one. Second, and I think much more important, if you submit legislation on the first day you're in office saying what I just said, that if you don't pass universal health care by July of this year, then Congress would lose its health care, and the administration, by the way, not just Congress. First of all, at the risk of being a little bit political, every Democrat in the Congress would vote for it because they're for universal health care. So it's not a Democratic issue. The Republicans, I'm assuming that some would not, but I want you to think about what would happen if a congressman from New Hampshire, who's a Republican, says, all right, I'm going to vote for my health care, but I'm going to vote against the health care for my constituents. You got the point. They won't be in the Congress long, I can tell you that. And I will personally go into their congressional districts as president and make sure that every voter knows what they're doing, that they're voting for themselves and their health care coverage, and they're voting against health care coverage for America. The point of all this is the goal is not to take away anybody's health care. The goal is to get universal health care passed, and I think we have to shake things up. I think you have to intensify the pressure on members of Congress and members of the administration so that they feel some urgency to this.